optometry is something that many people may not know. So it's basically an independent primary healthcare profession. Why would I need स्पेक्टेकल्स? आपकी जो आई की लेंथ है, उसको हम एक्सियल लेंथ बोलते हैं, वो थोड़ी ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बढ़ते जाती है. बाय द एज ऑफ 18-19 ऑलमोस्ट 80 to 90% ऑफ देयर kids are becoming myopic. The lens is right on the surface of the eye.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Spectacles are slightly away from the age. No bar. Contact lenses bar.
Can you swim with lens?
If a dust particle enters, you'll get irritated. You'll have red eye and things like that. But then you don't attribute that to anything else. But now you're wearing contact lens, तो हर चीज contact lens की वजह से हो रही है. ऐसे लगता है कि in the back of our mind.
What is the biggest misconception people have about contact lens?
As Indians, I think we are not used to putting something on the eye. Per day cost में बताता हूँ, 8 से 10 रुपए. सुबह लगा दो, आपको फेंक दो. लेंस पेन के नंबर बढ़ेगा नहीं, मतलब बढ़ना है तो बढ़ेगा, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द लेंस. देयर आर ग्लोबली 15 करोड़ से ज़्यादा कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस वेयरर्स हैं.
आज का पॉडकास्ट है अबाउट अ पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी जो हम सब फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं, आवर आईज. Today I have with me an optometrist and he's also a contact lens specialist. अगर आप मेरी तरह contact lens डालते हैं या आप contact lens के बारे में कुछ जानना चाहते हैं तो I would suggest that you watch this podcast and you watch it till the very end. I've also done other series on health. There's this podcast on losing weight over 40 and about mental health for those who live in the city. और एक और request है, quickly ये podcast देखने के पहले आप subscribe button hit कर दीजिए. So I'm motivated and I can keep getting you better and better content. So moving on, the guest that we have with us today is Nilesh Thete. Nilesh is the Executive Manager of Educational Programs at the International Association of Contact Lens Educators. And he's also the co-founder of Masterclass Optometry, which is a learning initiative. He's a fellow of the American Academy of Optometry and the British Contact Lens Association. He has over 2 decades of teaching experience, where he was at the Bharati Vidyapet School of Optometry, where he was last there as head of department. He has various research publications and conference presentations to his credit, and today he's going to clear up all our doubts on contact lenses, specs versus contact lenses, and any other question you can think of related to them. So over to Nilesh. Hi Nilesh.
Thank you so much, Sampada. First of all, having me here. I think it's a pleasure to be here and doing this with you. And I want to compliment you on taking up health as well. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया में जितनी हेल्थ अवेयरनेस हम कर सकते हैं उतनी कमी है. So kudos for taking that up. And talking about contact lenses, generally ऐसे फोरम में contact lens के बारे में ज़्यादा डिस्कस नहीं होता. So I really want to compliment you on taking this up and having me here with you. And I just hope that through this conversation I can share some interesting insights and something for the viewers which will help them.
No, I think it'll be of great help, and I think it's very important to have voices which are credible, which is why it's a pleasure to have you here. You are clearly, qualified to talk about the subject, and you have over 2 decades of experience. So we know that you're coming from an informed and credible place. So, the viewers will also feel a little bit of ease as to where it's coming from. So I want to start with a very basic question. Now, when we were talking, I asked you the question, in fact, a bit off camera,
right.
What is the difference between optometry and ophthalmology?
Yeah.
Right? तो उसमें क्या फ़र्क है?
I think it's a very common question. We often get asked this particular question कि optometry क्या है, ophthalmology क्या है. So I'll just take one step back. So in eye care there are 3 O's. One is ophthalmology, one is optometry, and then is optician. So ये 3 O's ये मिला के पूरा eye care
जो हम सब जानते हैं. Optician तो हम
Optician सबको पता है, ophthalmology पता है, but optometry is something that many people may not know. So it's basically an independent primary healthcare profession to begin with. Independent because it can be done unsupervised. So independently optometrists can practice. Primary क्योंकि काफ़ी बार अगर आप किसी भी एक एस्टैब्लिश्ड ऑप्टिकल शॉप में जाओगे या किसी आई हॉस्पिटल में जाओगे तो आपका जो पहला लाइन ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट होता है ना, वो काफ़ी बार ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट होगा. So you will be interacting with an optometrist to begin with. They'll ask you questions like, so what brings you today? What's the problem with your eyes? वो आपकी medical history लेंगे. And then they will do the entire detailed eye test. And depending on what they find out, they will, prescribe you, recommend you either spectacles, contact lenses or anything additional as well. अब होता ही है ना कि जनरली हमें लगता है कि सिर्फ चश्मे का नंबर निकाल के प्रिस्क्राइब करना, दैट्स अबाउट इट. बट एक्चुअली ऑप्टोमेट्री हैज़ मच वाइडर, मच लार्जर रोल.
Okay.
या सो दैट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट कि आपके
Okay.
चश्मे का नंबर निकाल के स्पेक्टिकल्स या कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस प्रिस्क्राइब करना.
Right.
But in addition to that, we also examine the entire eye and the visual system. So
Okay.
the front part of the eye
Right.
in detail.
Right.
फिर there are some instruments with which we can also look at the back part of the eye, which is called as retina.
Okay.
पीछे होता है वो.
Okay.
Now that is very interesting क्योंकि पूरी डिटेल्ड आई एग्जामिनेशन तभी होती है जब आपने पूरा आई एग्जामिन किया. सिर्फ
Okay.
नंबर निकालना, इट्स नॉट योर एंटायर आई एग्जामिनेशन.
So
एंड
can I refer to an optometrist as a general practitioner of the eyes? Would that be a fair?
now that's where I would like to give you the differentiation between optometrists and ophthalmologists. So optometrists generally deal with the vision part of it. So how do you
Okay.
enhance the vision of any wearer, anyone, public, right? Ophthalmologists mainly deal with the medicine, the medical side and the surgical side of eye care.
Oh, okay. Got
So
it. Got it.
so all the non-surgical and non-medicinal side जो है वो ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट मैनेज करते हैं. जैसे आपको
Alright.
कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस प्रिस्क्राइब करना. कई लोग होते हैं जिनको आंखों में डैमेज होने के बाद वॉट एवर यू डू, वॉट एवर ट्रीटमेंट यू डू, उनकी नज़र इंप्रूव नहीं होती. तो उनके लिए कुछ स्पेशल डिवाइसेस होते हैं, लो विजन डिवाइसेस बोलते हैं उनके लिए.
Okay.
फिर देर आर चिल्ड्रन एंड इवन दे हैव प्रॉब्लम्स विद द कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन द टू आइज. आप उसको स्क्विंट बोलते हैं, इन लेमैन टर्म्स हम बोलते हैं ना, स्क्विंट है. तो उसके लिए देर आर सर्टन एक्सरसाइजेस एंड थेरेपीज एंड दीज थिंग्स आर समथिंग दैट ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट आर स्पेशलाइज्ड इन. तो ये काफ़ी कम लोगों को पता है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई वांटेड टू मेंशन दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट अपार्ट
No.
फ्रॉम द रूटीन स्टफ दैट वी डू.
Okay, I understand. So you're also a contact lens specialist,
Yes.
right? But before that, I wanted to ask you कि specs या contact lens की ज़रूरत कब पड़ती है? Is it only after a particular age? या what is the reason, first of all? Let's be basic and say कि
Right.
कब ज़रूरत पड़ती है?
So basically, why would I need spectacles, right? तो it's all about the structure of the eye and the shape of the eye, right? जैसे हम बोलते हैं मायोपिया, जो आज बहुत कॉमन है, माइनस नंबर से जो करेक्ट करते हैं, बच्चों को भी लग रहा है आजकल काफ़ी. तो उसमें ये होता है कि आपकी जो आई की लेंथ है, जिसको हम एक्सियल लेंथ बोलते हैं, वो थोड़ी ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बढ़ते जाती है.
Okay.
And that is why you become myopic and you need correction in minus lens form.
Okay.
In today's generation, this is happening at a much younger age.
Okay.
I'm sure you might have noticed कि पहले बहुत कम लोग दिखते थे चश्मा पहनते हुए when we were in
Yeah.
college, right? If you
Is
look
it
at
because
today's
the
urban
kids are always using the screen? That is a
yeah,
big
that's
reason.
one of the reasons.
That's one of the
Excessive near
reasons.
work and less outdoor work. It's a combination which is causing a lot of people becoming myopic. और होता है ना, जैसे एज बढ़ता है हमारा, सो हाइट बढ़ती है जनरली, वैसे ही एक्सियल लेंथ भी बढ़ते जाती है थोड़ी.
Okay.
और अगर ये ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी तो हमें माइनस नंबर बढ़ते जाएगा.
Okay.
और ये आजकल ये बहुत बड़ा इशू बन चुका है ग्लोबली. इंडिया तो फिर भी थोड़ा कंट्रोलेबल है अभी, बट इफ़ यू लुक एट द ओरिएंटल कंट्रीज, बाय द एज ऑफ 18-19 ऑलमोस्ट 80 to 90% ऑफ देयर किड्स आर बिकमिंग मायोपिक. इमेजिन,
That's-
100 में से 80-90
Yeah,
लोग
that's-
मायोपिक है एट द
That's
एज ऑफ
very
18 to
scary.
20.
So we are going to talk more about the impact of lifestyle on
yeah.
the eyes. But I wanted another basic question.
Right.
I wear lenses.
True.
I also have specs that I wear at home. तो जब eye का functioning होता है या so how does the eye work with the lens and how does the eye work with the specs? Let's start from the most basic.
Yeah.
Kind of.
सो एज यूजुअल एक मेजर डिफरेंस ये है लेंस और स्पेक्टिकल्स में कि लेंस इज राइट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द आई,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Spectacles are slightly away from the eye, 12 to 14
Couple,
millimeters away from the eye. So that is the main difference. So
Okay.
when you wear specs, थोड़ा सा ना अगर हाई पावर्ड होता है तो आपकी जो इमेज, मतलब जो साइज़ है इमेज की, वो थोड़ी कम या ज़्यादा होती है, जिसे हम बोलते हैं मिनिफिकेशन या मैग्निफिकेशन. While contact lenses rest directly on the surface of the eye,
Right.
so it's close to your natural vision.
Okay.
That's the main difference. Again, lens moves with the eye, contact lens. चश्मा आँख के साथ नहीं मूव करेगा, आपको पूरा
नहीं,
सर
नहीं,
मूव करना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
सो इफ़ यू लुक थ्रू द कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्पेक्टिकल लेंस,
हाँ.
आपको थोड़ा सा इमेज उतनी क्लियर या थोड़ी सी डिस्टॉर्टेड भी हो सकती है एट टाइम्स, जो इशू कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस में नहीं है क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल आपके आँख के साथ मूव हो रहा है. सो ऑल दोज इशूज और विजन इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू योर नॉर्मल विजन विथ कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज. तो ये बहुत बड़ा एक एडवांटेज है कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस का. अगर यू नो इन लेमैन्स टर्म इफ आई हैव टू से, मैं ये कहता हूँ कि चश्मा आपका वो दोस्त है जो जिसके साथ आप दिन रात मतलब ज़्यादातर टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, हंसते हो, मस्ती करते हो, एंड यू आर सीन विद दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रेंड. वाइल कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज इज दैट फ्रेंड जो पीछे से चुपचाप आपके पीछे आपका साथ दे रहा है, एंड यू नो व्हेन यू आर लो और व्हेन यू आर नॉट इन द बेस्ट ऑफ योर मूड्स, वो एक दोस्त होता है जिसको आप फ़ोन करते हैं, आपको मदद करता है. तो वो है हमारी कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस. दिस इज द इजीएस्ट एनालॉजी आई कुड थिंक.
ये तो बहुत बेहतरीन एग्जांपल एंड प्रेज फॉर द कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस. So we'll talk about the usage of contact lens.
Yeah.
पर उसके पहले आपके recommendation में can anybody and everybody use lens? What about kids? What about older people? Are there any restrictions or can everybody use them?
So I'll take it step by step. I'll take the second one first. Age-wise, can anyone wear the contact lenses? So today with whatever contact lenses we have, है ना, मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव हो रही है वहाँ भी, जैसे कार्स में और फोन्स में हो रही है वैसे यहाँ भी हो रही है. तो almost everyone can wear contact lenses. Age-wise, there is no specific age limit. Today, even infants and children are wearing contact lenses for some conditions, not routinely.
Okay.
Or elderly people are also wearing contact lenses for, you know, their prescriptions or whatever vision correction they require. So, if I have to answer in one line, age, no bar. Contact lenses, bar.
Okay.
So you can wear contact lenses at any age.
You can. And then do you need to go to a optometrist like yourself? And what is the correct way to?
Yeah, so I was coming to the second one, which is, can anyone wear regardless of the age? See, I would say most people can wear some form of contact lenses today because of, you know, the एडवांसमेंट इन टेक्नोलॉजी, अलग अलग मटेरियल्स है, इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से वेरी रेयरली ऐसे होगा कि आपकी आँख को कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस कोई भी सूट नहीं होगी. So this is more like an exception than a rule, but maximum number of people can wear some form of contact lens. Right. Now, if you want to wear contact lenses, what should you do, right? That's your next question. I would say at least the first time you have to get your eyes properly examined from a qualified practitioner who knows contact lens fitting and, you know, about contact lenses.
Okay.
And generally, by and large, optometrists are well trained in that, because this is a part of their curriculum. They study contact lenses in great detail. So I would say optometrist आपको definitely आपकी आँख देख के बता देगा कि first of all whether they are suitable for contact lenses or not. If yes, what kind of contact lenses, power वो decide करेंगे and things like that. So yes, go to a qualified optometrist who will help you with all these things, like, you know, कौन से टाइप का और कैसा लेंस, and instructions देते वो, how to apply, remove, care and maintenance, all those things.
All right. And there's so much of confusion about contact lens. You have soft lens, you have hard lens,
I know.
you have daily wear and monthly.
Ask me.
So just tell us, like in simple layman terms, how does one decide what is best for you?
Right. So I would say as a person, as a layman, as public, we don't really need to bother too much about it. That's the practitioner's job. क्योंकि वो आपके आँख को देख के आपको अच्छा सा लेंस रिकमेंड करेंगे. बट फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन, फॉर योर नॉलेज, व्हाट आई वुड से इज टुडे मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज अवेलेबल आर सॉफ्ट कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज. और वो इतने सॉफ्ट है, अगर मेरे पास होता तो मैं आपको दिखा देता. इट्स सो सॉफ्ट दैट यू वुडंट बिलीव. यू आर अवेयर, सो यू ऑफ कोर्स नो, बट मेनी पीपल दे गेट लाइक अ शॉक. अरे ये इतने सॉफ्ट होते हैं, मुझे पता ही नहीं था, मुझे लगता था बहुत हार्ड होते होंगे. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ, यू नो, लाइक एन इनसाइट फॉर देम. अरे बहुत सॉफ्ट है. So most of the lenses today belong to this soft contact lens category. And again, as I said, most people can wear them comfortably, right? उसमें भी अलग अलग टाइप्स और क्लासिफिकेशन होता है. मैं बहुत बेसिक बताऊंगा जो ज़रूरी है जानना. एक होते हैं मंथली डिस्पोजेबल, मतलब आप अगर हर रोज़ पहन के उतारोगे, then you have to clean, rinse and store it in a lens case. This way you can wear it for a month.
Okay.
And after 1 month, you replace it. You open a new lens and you start the same process for a month.
Okay.
Interesting concept, and I think people know about it, but I want to reiterate: daily disposable contact lenses.
Right.
मतलब use and throw.
Right.
So you open the lens, wear it on the eye throughout the day, enjoy your day, forget you're wearing a lens. Before going to bed, take the lens out, throw it and sleep.
And
it's
then
as simple as that.
Okay.
Very comfortable, very convenient, healthy as well.
Yeah, probably hygiene wise.
हाइजीन वाइज एंड वो झंझट नहीं है ना आपका, वो एक
हाँ,
दिमाग में रहता है ना
हाँ.
आपके कि यार अब लेंस उतारना है, फिर वो
करना है.
रखना है कहीं, फिर वो सॉल्यूशन बॉटल.
हाँ.
तो गेट रिड ऑफ ऑल दिस
Right.
care and maintenance by using daily disposable lenses.
And does the same apply for so are colored lenses bad for the eyes?
Good question, and I'm sure I was expecting this from you.
Selfishly motivated
I
question.
was absolutely waiting for this question. No, lenses per se are not bad.
Okay.
Okay, क्योंकि लेंस बनाने के पहले ना बहुत रिसर्च हो चुका है. वो जो मटेरियल है इट्स वेरी फ्रेंडली विथ योर बॉडी, राइट. बायोकम्पैटिबल बोलते हैं उसको साइंटिफिक टर्म में. तो मटेरियल वाइज इट्स एब्सोल्युटली सेफ. ठीक है, तो पहन सकते हैं आप. कोई भी लेंस जब मार्केट में आएगी तो उसके पहले बहुत रिसर्च हो चुका है, बहुत क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स हुए हैं. मतलब पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी वोन इट एंड इफ इट वाज सक्सेसफुल दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इन द मार्केट, प्रोवाइडेड यू आर लुकिंग एट द राइट ब्रांड ऑफ लेंसेज हु फॉलो ऑल दीज प्रोसेस, राइट. तो लेंस पर से नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन वेयर देम. Of course, as I keep saying, you have to consult your practitioner and get the right lens for your eyes, and then follow the instructions of your practitioner, and you're safe.
And you're safe. So that brings me to the question of how do we choose? कौन से lens choose करें? Like in America, they have what is it? FDA, whatever.
FDA approved,
Yes,
yeah.
approved. Do we have something like that in India? Like how do we choose the correct? How do we know first of all it's safe to put that inside the eyes? What are the
हाँ,
how?
तो इंडिया में थोड़ा सा अभी इस पे काम हो रहा है. सो वी डोंट हैव एनी स्पेसिफिक बॉडी लाइक FDA, बट जो FDA अप्रूव्ड कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज है वो इंडिया में अवेलेबल है.
Okay.
So there is enough testing done on those lenses, and we know that they are safe to wear.
All right.
So you can just use the brands which are already FDA approved. So you don't have to worry about this thing right now,
that's easier.
because it's anyway taken care of. So
Right.
no need
right.
to worry about it. Or I get this question very often: is contact lens wear safe?
I was-
Contact lens wear safe?
Yeah,
I was
probably
probably you have this question in
yes,
mind.
I
right?
definitely had that.
तो before answering this question, I just want to ask you something. आप घर से यहाँ कैसे आए आज?
By car.
By car.
हाँ.
Generally, how do you commute?
By car.
By car.
हाँ.
Sometimes by train? Not much. Not much.
Not
By air at times
Yes.
when it's far, right?
Yes.
So is car drive safe?
Not really. We have the highest number of traffic accidents
right.
in the world. I think second or third in India.
So it's questionable, right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
फिर भी हम सब use कर.
we
right.
take our precautions. We hope for the best, right?
So actually the answer lies a little bit in that. So if someone asks me is contact lens wear, I ask is driving safe? It depends, right? By and large it is safe. Yeah, we know that if you follow rules and regulation, if you follow traffic rules, if your car is well maintained, if the driver is good, it is safe. Once in a while you might meet with an accident, right? But again, the accidents are also not fatal every time.
No.
So they're manageable accident.
Right.
Same analogy, same thing happens here as well. By and large, most of the times it's safe. Once in a while you might have a little bit of eye problem. Very rarely you have sight threatening problems. Very rarely.
Okay.
That's how I would put it.
So, which brings me to my question that when we are using lenses, what are the precautions we should take to make sure it's as safe as possible?
Yes. Number one, follow your eye care practitioner's recommendation. I'll keep coming back to you. I'm sorry. लेकिन उन्होंने देखी है आपके हाल. It's like following your physician's advice,
Yes,
right? आप
yes.
करते हो ना follow,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So in terms of eyes, that person is the right person to give you any advice and recommendation. So follow their advice. So they will tell you कि आप this is how you apply the lens, this is how you remove the lens. Lens रख के उसमें solution करके how you clean rinse and then store the lens. Early morning, throw away the solution, don't reuse it. Then you apply the lenses and so on. And more importantly, before you touch the lenses, wash your hands properly
Yeah.
every time, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure you would have gone through these instructions and you're doing them in a way, right? So ये basic I would say instructions है जो हर किसी ने follow करना है. Anything which you feel may actually give rise to an issue, any problem. If you're uncomfortable, कुछ आँख में चुभ रहा है, लेंस निकाल के रख दो. Wear your specs and then go to your practitioner and they will sort it out. So if you're not comfortable at any point of time, निकाल दो, रख दो. Don't play around too much, and then they will take care of that, right?
Okay.
And yeah, I think by and large this is it. Your practitioner will give you proper advice. Nothing to worry about.
Can you swim with lens?
Good question. Swim with contact lenses. I get this question sometimes. If you ask me, when you're wearing especially soft contact lenses or any other contact lenses as well, avoid any water contact with the soft contact lens, with the contact lens.
Okay.
क्योंकि ना पानी वैसे तो हमें अच्छा मतलब it's good, right? But the water is always contaminated. It always has some microorganisms,
Yes,
right?
correct.
अगर आप वो अगर पानी लेंस में गया,
हाँ.
so now this lens will be worn on the eye for a longer time.
हाँ.
तो एक ऑलरेडी माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म है उसमें,
Okay.
and you're giving the microorganisms to cause problems. So you're inviting problems in a way. So in any contact lens practitioner will tell you don't swim in the lenses as far as possible. Now there's a fix in this. There is a hack. Some people will say wear swimming goggles on top of that, right?
Yeah.
मैं भी एक दो बार मैंने स्विमिंग गॉगल ट्राई करके स्विम करना. I don't wear lenses just for fun. But I've realized I've never found a proper swimming goggle which is completely airtight,
100%
right? जिसके अंदर पानी जाएगा नहीं.
Yeah.
बहुत rarely ऐसे goggles मिलते हैं.
Right.
So instead of doing all these things, just avoid wearing contact lenses while swimming. That's
That's your advice.
my recommendation and advice. मत
Then
पहनो.
another important question: what about makeup over the eyes
Mhm.
and
Yeah,
inside
why
the
not?
eyes?
Why not?
People
Yeah.
put kajal, or
Yeah.
you put eye makeup on top. How does that impact the?
Yeah. So a disclaimer: I'm not an expert in
Yes.
makeup. In makeup,
Yes, we hope not.
But I know a little bit about contact lenses, so I'll tell you this. See, obviously, if you're wearing cosmetic lenses, there's a good chance that you will wear some makeup. Correct? अब जितना मैंने whatever I have understood ना कि before applying makeup, you will apply contact lens.
Yes, that's
number
correct.
one.
That's
Number two, before removing makeup, you'll remove contact
Yes.
lens. So deal with contact lens first. This is your first and foremost. And obviously, before touching the lens, your hands are properly washed and
Sanitized.
dried. Right? वो हो गया. So this is the very first and important advice. Secondly, we say that instead of applying makeup too close to the inner margin, try putting it on the outer
Outside.
side and even eyelashes as well.
Okay,
तो जितना कम disturbance होगा ना आँख में, उतना better for you. See,
Right.
and this I would say even if you're not wearing contact lenses.
Right.
बाहर की तरफ कर लो,
Right.
क्योंकि अंदर की तरफ जो मार्जिन है उसमें ना कुछ ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जिसकी ओपनिंग कभी कभी आप ब्लॉक कर सकते हो वो काजल
okay,
लगा के.
okay.
सो पुट इट ऑन द आउटर साइड एज फार एज पॉसिबल एंड देन अगेन आउटर पार्ट ऑफ द आईलैशेस आप कर लो.
That
So
yeah.
makeup is not a complete no. Just be careful.
All right. So one of the things is people keep complaining that contact lens make my eyes red, it itches, it scratches. So like, why does it happen? Is it psychological or is it real? And like, what's the reason?
Yeah, I don't want to term it as psychological for every patient. It can be real as well. See, होता ही है ना कि कभी कभी गलती से हमने हाथ ठीक से धोए नहीं है, ओके, एंड यू अप्लाई द कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस. दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग. आपको लगेगा कि मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ, बट कॉमनली होता है कि आपने सुबह कुछ ठीक से हाथ नहीं धोए एंड देन यू अप्लाई द कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस एंड देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ डस्ट पार्टिकल्स ऑन योर हैंड एंड देन द आई स्टार्ट्स इरिटेटिंग. सो यू टेक आउट द लेंस, clean it, rinse it once again. Of course, wash your hands, clean it, rinse it once again, and then apply. If it still remains, that means there may be something more. Then you just take the lens back, put it in the lens case, and see your practitioner.
Okay.
Generally नहीं होता. अगर आप कभी कभी बाहर जा रहे हो and then a dust particle enters the eye, then it may start irritating. और वो आपको बिना contact lens के भी करेगा. Right? If a dust particle enters, you'll get irritated, you'll have red eye and things like that. But then you don't attribute that to anything else. But now you're wearing contact lens, तो हर चीज़ contact lens की वजह से हो रही है. ऐसे लगता है कि in the back of our mind.
That's also true.
Right.
So now after me asking you all these questions, आपके experience में what is the biggest misconception people have about contact lens? some of the most common questions you get.
Right. So I'll give you the top 2-3. सबसे पहले तो ना लोगों को लगता है contact lens उन्होंने सुना है कहीं, कि उनको लगता है कि यार मेरे लिए नहीं है, आप पहनो. So this is
ऐसा क्यों
one
लगता
thing
है
I want
आपके
to
हिसाब
actually
से?
break. I think there are, because there are other
Psychological.
myths as well, and as Indians, I think we are not used to putting something on the eye. It's not culturally also. There could be a factor, cultural factor as well. And then there are other myths like are they safe to wear? Something like are they expensive? ये भी काफ़ी बार सुनने को मिलता है, क्योंकि इंट्यूटिवली यू थिंक कि कुछ ना कुछ इतना बड़ा एडवांस प्रोडक्ट है जो हम आँख में लगा के एंजॉय कर रहे हैं लाइफ, मतलब बहुत महंगा होगा. बट दैट्स अ मिथ एक्चुअली. मतलब टुडे यू हैव कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज पर डे कॉस्ट में बताता हूँ 8 से 10 रुपए.
Really?
Yeah, you have, and good contact lenses. I'm not saying
Okay.
good poor quality नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Actual good quality contact lens from a multinational brand,
हाँ.
which is a monthly disposable lens.
हाँ.
मतलब if you wear every day, it will last for a month.
Okay.
If you break down the cost, it comes to around 8 to 9 rupees
That's
a
a
day.
revelation. Huh.
अब आप मुझे बताओ 9 रुपए per
Yeah,
day.
Yeah.
You're spending 9 rupees a day on so many things which are unwanted.
Right.
So it's not expensive. So that's the second thing. इन्फेक्शन का मैंने बता दिया. केयर एंड मेंटेनेंस, ये एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता है कि बहुत झंझट है यार, सुबह पहनो रात को ये करो. एंड आई वुड से आप सुबह ब्रश करते हैं, आप रात को भी ब्रश करते हैं. हाउ मच टाइम डज इट टेक? अ मिनट इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग. Same thing applies here. Once you are used to it, it will take a minute in the morning, a minute at the end of the day. But throughout the day, you don't even have to worry about it. You are living a free lifestyle, right? मतलब look at yourself.
Yeah.
Now you're not bothered about मैं क्या कर रही हूँ
हाँ.
आँखों के साथ.
हाँ.
You're free to express with your eyes.
Whichever
You're
way.
free to maintain eye contact.
Right.
You're free to play any sports you want.
Right.
If you look at these advantages, the benefits, सुबह का 1 मिनट, रात का 1 मिनट क्या है
Then
यार?
it's not.
And also just to add to that, you can get daily disposable lenses. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए ये सब, सुबह लगा दो, आपको फेंक दो.
Okay.
So there is an
Then that
option.
makes
There is an
sense.
option.
So suppose someone is thinking of trying contact lens for the first time,
Hmm.
okay, and they are scared कि अरे यार आपके ऊपर
हाँ.
कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? What is the advice you would give them, since people are scared of putting anything on the eyes?
So the number one most important advice I want to give is just do it. Just go. Just go and approach an eye care practitioner. अगर
हाँ.
आपको लगता है थोड़ा सा भी, तो आप जाओ and take a trial.
हाँ.
Because today what happens is, once I've done your, let us say, eye checkup,
हाँ.
I see your eyes are good. Good in the sense you can wear contact lenses. सब ठीक है, right? Normal है. The next step I do is I give you a trial. मैं आपको लेंस लगा के दिखाऊंगा so that you get a feel of the lens and I get to see how the lenses are fitting on your eyes. वो भी ज़रूरी होता है,
Okay.
right? As a clinician, as a practitioner.
Right.
So दोनों तरफ से you can experience, I know how they are fitting. तो ट्रायल लेने में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो तो 10 मिनट में हो जाएगा. So stop waiting, stop sitting on the fence, take that one step और चले जाओ. जैसे मैं खुद को बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे जिम जाना है, अब मैं क्या करूँ? बस
Yeah,
जाना है, बस अभी
only
जाना है.
answer is, yeah,
बस
to-
चलो
to
जाओ
just-
अभी.
To just do it.
Stop
There
thinking.
is one more thing I've heard, and I remember when I decided to go in for lenses. My mother was like, "उससे और number बढ़ जाएगा," and it's this thing. Is there
नहीं.
any scientific basis?
No, these are myths now. लेंस पहन के नंबर बढ़ेगा नहीं, मतलब बढ़ना है तो बढ़ेगा, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द लेंस वेयर आई वुड से. एंड इनफैक्ट टुडे बिकॉज इस मायोपिया इज ग्रोइंग, आई वाज सेइंग ना कि बढ़ रहा है, तो मायोपिया कंट्रोल के लिए स्पेसिफिक लेंसेज भी आते हैं आज. तो वो जो स्पीड है मायोपिया की ग्रोथ का वो कम हो जाएगा, उसके लिए स्पेशल लेंसेज है, कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज है.
Wow.
या दैट्स एडवांसमेंट हो चुके हैं.
No, that's amazing. So
Yeah.
it can actually correct or help in controlling. Not
Yes,
correct,
both
controlling.
correcting and controlling both. You're right.
Okay.
तो आपको आपके नंबर का लेंस है तो आपको दिखेगा सब अच्छे से, एंड बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ स्पेसिफिक डिज़ाइन इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प टू रिड्यूस द ग्रोथ.
Nice.
ये भी होता है. एंड देर इज़ अ specific science, a technology of lenses where you wear the lenses at night and then you remove the lenses through the day. You don't have to wear the lenses through the day, and that also corrects your eyesight as well as controls the growth of the eye. So आजकल इस पे बहुत काम हो रहा है इस पे. lot of research is going on and it's established now that this technique works well and people are following that.
This I didn't know
Yeah,
at all.
see-
This
see,
is the
yeah,
latest
yeah,
advancement
exactly.
that. So what is myopia, or what are some of the conditions that lenses can help in controlling?
Right. So myopia is the first one जो contact lens लगाओगे आप, आपको clearly दिखेगा, and with special lenses it will also control the growth of myopia.
Okay,
Right,
myopia
it
is
will-
short-sighted.
Short-sightedness, yeah.
Alright.
Far-sightedness is another condition, लेकिन far-sightedness is not very common.
Okay.
Myopia is very common, far-sightedness बहुत कम है, especially बच्चों में. Now when you become around 40-45, that's the time you need something for reading,
Right.
right?
Right.
40-45 के आसपास you need
Right.
reading glasses,
Right.
right? So nowadays if you go to any optical, you will also have this spectacles which
Yes.
have multiple powers,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Similar science
Hmm.
is in contact lenses also.
Really.
So there are multifocal contact lenses available for people who need different power for distance, different power for near. तो उसके लिए भी lenses है. So you just have to go and ask your, whether it's optometrist or ophthalmologist, just ask them कि आपके पास ऐसे कुछ है क्या? Is there an option of contact lenses for me? And then they will explain.
Oh,
But there is, all these are
Nice.
available today.
nice. But when you said you can wear them at night and sleep, is it only particularly prescribed ones? You can't wear normal lenses and sleep,
Yes.
right? What is the care?
Excellent,
procedure for that?
excellent question, I must say. So, routinely, I would say most of the lenses are called as daily wear lenses. मतलब आप सुबह पहनो, रात को सोने से पहले निकाल दो, and then either you store them properly, and if it is a disposable lens, throw it out. Correct? So आप रात को या लेंस पहन के सोते नहीं हो आप, because once you sleep in the lenses, डिफरेंट फिजियोलॉजी वगैरह सारे चेंजेस अलग अलग है, क्योंकि आपकी आँख खुली नहीं है तो ब्लिंक नहीं कर रहे आप, जो भी है इट्स नॉट गेटिंग फ्लश्ड आउट, राइट? ऑक्सीजन थोड़ा सा कम हो रहा है, आँखों को भी ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत होती है बाय द वे.
Okay.
यस, सो व्हेन योर आइज आर क्लोज देन थोड़ा ऑक्सीजन कम हो गया ना, हवा से ऑक्सीजन नहीं जा रहा. सो विथ ऑल दीज थिंग्स इट्स नॉट एडवाइजेबल टू वेयर lenses during sleep,
All right.
regular lenses.
All right.
Now, I told you some time back there are specific lenses which you can sleep in, and morning you can remove them and you'll get your vision back. Those lenses are meant for that, right? And the practitioners are also qualified to fit those lenses, so they know what they're doing. तो उसमें आप कर सकते हो, routinely मत करो.
Okay. If it's a special correctional lens,
Correct,
then
correct.
you can.
Then
do
you
it.
can. Okay, good.
I want to. This has been really informative around about lenses. I want to end with some general eye care advice from you as a
Okay.
qualified professional. Ki what should we do overall? Anyone, whether you wear lenses or specs, if your eyes
Right,
are
right.
already not at par, what can you do to take care of them?
So I'll say for everyone, certain basic things we need to do. See, nutrition has a role, but generally young age में ज़्यादा होता है, बाद में उतना नहीं होता. But still, a balanced diet will never hurt you for anything, right? तो ये एक तो common ही है सब में. Regular eye test is important, right? बच्चों में and then elderly after 40. यंग एडल्ट्स में उतनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत शायद नहीं आएगी, लेकिन बच्चों में एंड एल्डरली पॉपुलेशन डेफिनेटली वंस एवरी ईयर मिनिमम.
Okay.
Young adults, sometimes you can go once in 18 months or 2 years also,
All
depending on your general eye health. So regular eye test is the second one. Countries like India, we are very sunny, right? So good to wear sunglasses, good quality sunglasses when you are out in the sun. Ultraviolet radiation होता है, उसकी
हाँ.
वजह से आँख में प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है.
Affect होता है.
It affects your eyes. So a good quality sunglass, I would always advise. Those people who know me personally know I have a little embarrassed to tell you, but around 15 pairs of sunglasses. I have.
अगर आप लोगों को लगता था that doctors and medical professionals are very non-fashion forward, see, he's correcting.
So I have 15 pairs of sunglasses. और सारे अच्छे quality के, not just for fashion. Of course, I like them, they look good. But also because they are good quality lenses.
हाँ.
So sunglasses I would recommend to everyone, right? कुछ भी अगर आँख में दिक्कत होती है ना, तो ज़्यादा don't play around with your eyes. It's a sensitive organ, and as a layman we don't know much about it.
No.
So सीधा आप practitioner के पास जाइए और आपकी आँखें दिखाइए, and they will deal with it. Let the experts handle that.
Okay.
Any eye problem.
Okay.
So I think these are the basic ones. ज़्यादा आँख से खेलिए मत directly. Wear protective eyewear whenever you are in a situation which demands very normal basic things.
And don't be scared of lenses.
Ah,
They're here
yeah,
to
of
make
course
your
not.
life easier. Right, I think.
There are globally 15 करोड़ से ज़्यादा contact lens wearers हैं.
Really.
15
it's-
करोड़ से ज़्यादा लोग contact lens पहनते
Okay.
हैं. तो इतने लोग 15 करोड़ is good number, right?
It's a very impressive
right.
number.
तो उतने लोग तो पहन रहे हैं successfully. So
हाँ.
you can imagine if so
That
many
it
people
is.
are wearing, means it has to be safe. You can't have so many people doing it.
I think so. It's medical technology which is here to make our life easier. We
Yeah,
shouldn't
it is.
be scared of it. I think that's what I'm, kind of learning from the podcast with you. So I think we've got a very good insight into contact lenses, its uses, the advantages, a lot of myths you busted. So that was really nice, and thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And,
Absolutely. Pleasure.
Before we end, I want to gift you something. We
Oh,
have
cool.
we actually have a cold pressed cooking oil brand, which is one of our
Sure.
sponsors. It's called Arc Oils. It's also based in Pune. So this is
Pune tithe kai une.
correct. This is on behalf of Arc Oils.
Thank you so much.